We've had Catherine Stone, ta-da, an attorney from Barbas Law on our show now for over a year, and she's given us a lot of information, everything from workers' compensation, to personal injury, auto accidents, Social Security disability, and so much more. Well, Catherine is back again today to remind us all how Barbas Law can help everybody in the Tampa Bay community. Catherine, how are you?
Good morning. How are you?
We are doing so well. Again, love when you are here. You have been here. You're one of our very first guests on the show, and you're continuing to give us a lot of information. But I think this is a good topic because I think we kind of focus on certain topics of law. So you just kind of want to sit back and talk about everything that the law firm can help.
Correct, because we are a boutique law firm in the Tampa Bay area with multiple different offices around the Tampa Bay area, Sarasota, St. Petersburg, Land O'Lakes. But we also do more than just what I typically am up here talking about, because we have, 7 attorneys in our office, some of which who don't handle workers' compensation. They only handle certain areas of law. We have an attorney who represents individuals with regards to labor disputes with their employers, ADA violations, Americans with Disabilities Acts. We have wage and hour, an attorney who handles wage and hour claims, discrimination claims. So that one attorney handles all those various different areas. Also, ERISA claims he also handles, which is when you have a dispute with an employer-funded, like a long-term disability policy or short-term disability policy. So again, we have a lot of different attorneys in our office that practice different things. We have an attorney who also handles securities arbitrations if you have an issue with a broker with regards to financial accounts, that can assist you with that. And not only that, though, we also, because we are so involved in our community and with other attorneys, a lot of times our clients will come to us, or new potential clients, and have another issue. And while our firm may not represent someone with regards or handle that particular claim, we know enough attorneys in the Tampa Bay area between one of us that we can provide that person with a good referral source. And so we also have an attorney in our office that handles estate planning and setting up trust and things like that. I also handle, which I hardly ever talk about, I do guardianships and probate as well. It's a topic maybe I should talk more about, but and I did that because a lot of times that is needed in conjunction with workers' comp or personal injury claims.
You know, I'm curious, at the very beginning of this, you said that you were a boutique law firm. What does that necessarily mean? It
means, we only have 7 attorneys. We're not one of the big law firms in downtown that have 50+ attorneys, which, in one essence, that means that we're all very close. We all have a meeting every Wednesday morning with all the attorneys so that anybody can discuss any kind of issues that they may be having in a case or with an opposing counsel or whatever it may be. And we just kind of brainstorm every Wednesday morning. And we like to call it the brain trust meeting, which is good because we have somebody there to feed and bounce things off of with regards to what's going on in cases, because maybe something that's happened to me in a work comp case maybe could have some kind of effect or bearing or thoughtfulness with regards to someone else's type of claim.
You know, it's interesting you talk about bouncing ideas off, because when we first started this segment, the big focus was know your rights. And in fact, you took viewer questions when people would submit to you and kind of you help people. You are looking at the community as a whole. Talk a little bit about that and how maybe you at home have a question that you could submit.
Well, and we did start off with that, and then it kind of got into more of an educational, me just providing information. But I'd kind of like to go back to what our original plan was and have, the viewers submit questions that then later on in some future segments, I'm going to take some of those questions and actually answer them during our segment. So, because I think even if you're not currently involved in litigation, even if you currently don't have a case, but you just simply have a question, again, we answer all of those. We get emails throughout the week, all week long, through our Know Your Rights page, and I or one of our other attorneys typically will try to personally answer those questions, or someone from our office will call and schedule an appointment.
Nice. Well, let's go ahead and get that information up on your screen in case you do have any questions that maybe you want to email or even give a call, 1-800-BARBAS-LAW, or again, go to barbaslaw.com/knowyourrights. Catherine, again, it has been a pleasure. So glad it's been a year. Keep coming back.